Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Gina. Thanks for stopping by today. Today I'm going to be making a For the Birds collage. This is for a challenge at Nellie and Ruth Designs here on YouTube. So if you watched my last For the Birds, I was using a dictionary. The next day I went shopping with a friend and found this journal. I got this at Five Below and I already got ink on the back of it though. Oh my. But I decided I wanted to switch everything to this. It's quite a large book. It is 12 by 9. So I think it'll work really good and it'll be a little bit easier to handle in the dictionary. So this is last week's, and now we're on to number 2. So, I've been looking through my magazines and stuff and came up with, I think, something. Well, I'm going to make it. We'll see how it turns out. Here in my little tray, I have lots of little birds that are cut out, and they're all inked up, and I have this little lady here. So these are my birds that I will be using. Oh, and a little pot of flowers. So this is what I'm going to be using. In my first video, I showed all the bird books that I have. I didn't show my, I have the bird, oh, what are they called? These things. That I didn't use from these today, but I'll show you. I'm having trouble getting it out of my... I have a lot of these. Nature guides. I have several of these too, and I did not show that in my, my bird book, all the bird books I have. So, anyway, okay, we'll get started. So what I found today, I have a folder that just has uncut magazine pages in it. So that is what I grabbed to look at. And I'm trying to get some stuff moved over here. Oh, I could have used some of those flowers too. Let me get that out. Well, it's right here beside me. Okay. So I found this, and I really liked this. I thought this would be really neat. And I think, oh, I may cut like some of these out to stick in beside it. I'm not sure. But then I found this. And I kind of thought I'd put this behind here, kind of like in a craft room, you know. And this is going to be the background on my paper. So I think that's what we need to do first, is put this on. So I need to mark it to where I'm going to cut it. Sure, got it right where I want it there. Alright, my trimmer out. Excuse me. I decided tomorrow's the day I'm going to the doctor with this stuff. We have to go to town. We have like our clinic has a drive-through. And I'm just going to go to that while we're in town. We've got to get groceries and we've got to go to the pharmacy. I'm over this stuff. It's been about a week now. It's been close. No, it has been a week. It's been over a week. Sunday was when I got really bad. I came home from my daughter's with it. Wrong side. Okay. That will work good. I think I need just a little bit more off of it though, because it's over into the spine too much. I don't like it over there that much, so I'm going to take just a hair off. Okay, that is better. Okay, I'm going to ink this up real quick. I'm just going to use my scorched timber for this. Hope you all are doing well. Don't have any of this crud. Like a piece of paper or something on here. I don't know, that was weird. Just a little bit of leftover there, like my trimmer skipped it. So I think I can go ahead and put this one down. The next layer I can't put down until I'm ready, but I'm going to go ahead and get this one down. My first Marguerite Miller journal was quite large, and then since then I've just been getting smaller. So it seems kind of weird to have all of this space again, but I like it. I love this challenge. I will link to Nellie and Ruth's last For the Birds challenge if you would like to go see that. She posted yesterday that she's got to take a little break for some medical problems, but I know that she would love it if we all continue on with this challenge. So then for this, I think I need to cut that out. I'm going to trim the side off from where I left this out of the magazine. So it's going to take a little bit of this off, but I don't like how that looks like that. Okay. Set this off to the side. Before I cut, I'm going to cut out the handle. I just noticed that. I will want that cut out for sure. Oops, cut off course there. This way maybe I can. Do you have a certain way that you cut better? There's some on the back too, isn't that cute? I love that one. I didn't even notice that one. That is adorable. Of course, I just cut smack through it. I love, I've got the stamps on the wall as decoration. Isn't that cute? This one's adorable too. Oh well, we're using this one. These little things, they remind me of, I just thought of this when I was a kid and I read the book about the borrowers. Did you guys, if you're maybe my age or so, you might remember that. I don't know if they still read that book. It was about little people that lived in the wall and they stole your little things for their house, squirrel them away in the walls. I don't know, I was fascinated by that. I was probably around 8 or 9. I was absolutely fascinated by that. Okay, now, I thought this would look cute on here. This I want to cut out down here. And then I need to cut the side of this one too. Grab a drink real quick. have my covered cup today. I had a bad accident last night. I always have my drink up over there where it's completely out of the way, but I had my swig cup, you know, with a straw, and I sat it over here, turned around to walk to the back of my room to turn off my light back there, just to leave and go fix supper, and my chair swung around, and the top of my chair hit that cup, and it went flying off my desk. Well, over here beside me in front of my cube thing, I have a lot of books stacked on the floor. They're in a row. Oh, I freaked out. Okay, this needs to be cut off a little bit more. I'm going to cut this side because of the colors on it. It was a mess. Luckily, I got my books. I just started flinging books out of my room. Or landing in the kitchen. They're my most used collage books, and I just have them lined up like there's another shelf there, you know. Oh my goodness. Thankfully, I pretty well got it done. Okay, I think that is just right. And then if we put this here along the edge, that will look nice. I don't know if I want to put it down here. I think I want to kind of put it down here at the bottom of the page. And then maybe I could take these hoops, put a hoop, you know, like sticking up out of there. Let's cut that out and see. I hate cutting circles. I'm sorry, I get quiet when I'm cutting. I'll do the detail of that if I decide to use it. I can't talk and cut a circle. So I thought, have that coming up out of there like that, or maybe I don't worry about the top and just have it like that. That shows more of the plant. I like that better. And let's see. Do this one. You know, neither of these I looked at the back before I started cutting. That's not like me. I don't know what's going on. Thankfully, there's nothing interesting on the back of this one. And I have no idea. I guess that one said at one point, Ladies' Home Journal, maybe? No, Magnolia. It's out of Magnolia Journal. Magnolia Magazine. And this one, maybe put it like this. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I'm going to cut this off and not worry about that little topper. I don't know if I should have done that or not. Maybe I will just have it going like that and going off a little bit, because I don't like how that worked out there. And I'll cut it at the top. So yes, I like this. Okay, so let's get some inking done real quick. I just want to get the white edges off. It has turned winter here again. We're under a frost freeze warning tonight. My husband and I just got back in from covering all the lettuce. He said it's freezing out there. It's cold, he said. It was cold yesterday, too. So I think I will go ahead and glue these down. This one right at the top over here. Oops. I'll put this one right there. So they're both kind of going off the top. I don't want to use those scissors. I can see wet glue there. Alright. Here we go. Okay. And then I can put this down because I'm not going to be cutting anything into this. Up, I think. Oops. Oh. Oh, I got it all messed up. We gotta start over. Maybe I better use this glue so I have a minute to get it where I want it. Okay, come out, glue. I hope those lines from that other glue don't show, because I didn't get it all smoothed out. And a lot of times that glue on magazine paper will show if you don't get it smoothed out real fast. Okay. Yeah, I can see the lines, but that's going to be covered up right there, so that's good. All right, now here's where we're going to start doing some things. Oh, I was going to bring it down here when yeah, I like it down here. Okay, so this little lady and this flower pot are going to live right here. But they can't be done until I glue, but they're going to live right there. So, okay. Now, I know I need to cut for this one. This one is probably the only one I need to cut into with. And then after that, and I wanted to put this one right here, sticking out like it's going into the, I want it right, well, I can't have it up on the floor, so about right here, I guess. So, let's take my book off. And I want it right, about right there. So I'm going to cut along the edge of the box. Right here. Let's see if I got it good enough. I'm not getting a little bit more. I could always come in with that cut too, so that it's not quite so wide. Those scissors are terrible to use for doing this. I shouldn't have grabbed those. Okay, that's where I want that little bird. I want it right like that. So let's put a little bit of glue on here. I might have to take, oh, poop, it moved on me. Oh, I got glue on this side now because it moved. Okay, there we go. Put a little bit of glue under here now. There we go. So it's just peeking out of there. And I think that's the only thing that I need to cut for. So we will go ahead and put this down now. So I got to clean up the tip of this bottle. Okay. To be right on the edge and right down here. There we go. Oh, I didn't quite get it where I wanted it. There we go. Okay, I saved it. I saved it, you guys. I saved it. It's a little bit over down here, but I'll just cut that little tip off. Okay, now she is going to go here beside, like this. I don't know why. She just is. You know what she reminds me of? Is the little figurine that Ma had on the fireplace in Little House on the Prairie. Okay, on her head, we're going to put a bird that I can't find. Well, how did I lose my bird? I put all my birds in here. Oh, are you kidding me? Her bird is gone? What? I put all my birds in here. How did I lose a bird? I don't quite understand. Did it fall on the floor? No. But my jacket has. Oh, that's not good. Huh. Well, I don't like that at all. I had a cute little bird cut out for her. Okay, maybe we'll have to cut out a different one. I have this one here. We'll just cut this one out. But that one's, is that one gonna work? That one's not really gonna work like the other one did. And I'm gonna need that up a little bit to tuck its little feet under if I still can. Oh, I'm tearing her. Okay. Well, let's cut this one out real quick. I just can't imagine what happened to that bird. Huh. Okay. I'm not going to get too picky about his little feet because the very bottom of them, the claw part that is going to get tucked under her hat, kind of like it's sitting on there. That's so strange. I'm always losing something on my desk. I did walk away for a little while, but I still can't imagine. If my cat had been in here, she would have grabbed more than one little thing. It didn't get thrown in my little trash bin, did it? Let me look at my little trash bin. No, that's not in here. All of my little scraps are, but it's not. Okay, I'll ink around it real quick and then we'll be right back on track. I'll find the right ink. Oh, it's right here. I love these little bitty daubers. Okay, so maybe I'll glue this down. And then I'll have to fix her hat where I tore it. Okay. Oh, I don't like that there at all. Oh well. It's just so much like that bird, but it'll be okay. My other bird was so cute. There we go. Okay. And then we have, well, what is going on? Because her flowers are gone too. What is happening? Did I do something I don't know I did? Her flowers are gone too. I showed you her flower pot. Well, that's gone too. What on earth? Well, oh, is that behind her? There's something tucked behind her. Is something stuck on the back of her? What is that? Oh, what have I done? Look, there's something sticking out from behind her. It's the flower pot, and how'd the flower pot get back there? Well, it's gonna be ruined. Yeah, how did that happen? It's totally ruined, but it's showing through her dress. Well, we're not gonna have the flower pot there. I don't quite know what to do about that. Okay, I got that out. Well, it's time to order my new glasses. I put that right on there and didn't see that flower pot there. Okay, well, I don't know what we'll do about that. We're going to move on because this is getting ridiculous. Okay, I've got these little birds in, or a little bird in a cage. And now I'm going to put it up here, like it's tacked up there. There we go. And now I have this little teeny tiny bird that I'm going to put, I was thinking, okay, let me look, because I was thinking about putting it right here. But, and then this one I want to put right here. It's attached to the roof. This one is going to go right here. This one is going to go right on the corner like that. This one I thought I would put right down here. Where did I plan on putting this one? I have a picture up here that I'm looking at. This one I put right on the edge of that. So it's real cluttered up here, but that's okay. I don't know where I was going to put this one. Where was I going to put this one? Well, maybe I will put this one set on the table. Oh, I have this one right here. Yeah, that one I put right there. So I'm thinking I might move this little one right here on the table. Right there. And I'll move this guy maybe right there. Okay, we'll get these glued down. And that's pretty well done. I will get some other flowers out and see. If I can put those somewhere. I like how this little claw's hooked right on to the edge there of the box. And this one kind of hooks on the, it's kind of curved, so it hooks on that circle there. I think I'll bring it down some. Oh, I'm going to hold this one with my tweezers. It's tiny. It's got little bitty bits. I'm not even squeezing my bottle, and this glue is just flowing out almost too fast. Oops. This one goes. I think I'll put it over further than I planned. I wish I would have had a lot more of this size of this bird, but I really couldn't find them. Okay, and I really missed my flower pot there. Oh, I just don't know what I have that I can put there. I could look for a bird. There were some owls that were sitting that I really liked. I'll grab a drink real quick. Here, where are the owls now? Okay. That one would look cute sitting there beside him. The thing is, its tail is going to go down off the. Alright, let's cut it out and try it. Let's see. Let's see what we think. Oh, did you see what I just did? Oh my goodness. I just cut right into that owl. I'm having real wrist problems today. And my hand just kind of gave way, and I think I can glue it down and it won't show though. And I don't know, I might keep it on the tree. Let's see about that. I'm just going to slice across there because I will slice it at the bottom of the page. There's where I cut into the bird. Oops. Okay, so kind of thinking like that. I like it. What do you think? I wish you could tell me. It's gonna go on there though. Wipe off my tip of my glue. Okay. And I didn't come up with any cute sayings or anything to put on here. I didn't think about that until just this minute. So there's where I peeled that up and where that was stuck to it. It's kind of messed up there. So that's why the owl is going right like that. And then we'll turn it over. Oh, I got a lot cut off there. Okay. There we go. Okay, I think that is it. It didn't come out quite like I expected, but I still like it. I can't tell if that's glued. Yeah, that's glued down. So I will hold this up for you to see. It's kind of different for me, but I like it. Okay, here we go. Thank you for joining me today. I will have a link below to Nellie and Ruth's channel and to her last For the Birds collage. Thanks for joining me. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.